Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 417th episode and the 8th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you a great mashed potato recipe. But this isn't your ordinary mashed potatoes. We're going to make baked mashed potatoes. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to put 2 kinds of cheese in them. How yummy does that sound? These baked mashed potatoes are comfort food at its best. Great to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner or any time of the year. Y'all going to love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, Seafood Cornbread Dressing. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your potatoes, your milk, and your cheese sugar, because we're about to bake some baked mashed potato magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, I have 4 pounds of potatoes, which is about 7 medium size. We're going to peel them and cut them into chunks. Alright, I got all my potatoes together and I put them in my pot. And I have 1 potato. I'm just going to cut it in half. Keep your fingers out the way. Then we're going to cut it this way. And cut it again. So now I'm going to rinse them, then fill it with water and add some salt to them. And then I'm going to put them on top of the stove and bring them to a boil. Alright, my friends, our potatoes has came to a boil, and I forgot to mention I'm using russet potatoes. So now we're going to let the potatoes cook until they fork tender. And over here in my saucepan, I got the fire over medium-low heat. I added 1 cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter. And all we do is let this heat through and let the butter melt. Alright, my friends, the potatoes is nice and cooked. And I drained them. So now we're going to mash them. So now we're going to add in the hot milk and butter. Our seasonings, salt, white pepper, or you can use black and garlic powder. And the cheeses. I'm using 1½ cups of freshly grated mozzarella and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to give that a quick stir until it's well incorporated and the cheese melts. It's going to be cheese delicious. And make sure you taste to see if it needs any more seasoning. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring up my potatoes and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up the potatoes. Look at that, all that cheese. Oh yeah, baby. That looks great. And it has the right amount of seasoning. Now we're ready to pour it into the baking dish. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch long baking dish that I grease with cooking spray, or you can use butter. So now we're going to top it with some cheese and breadcrumbs. I have 2 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs and about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Just going to sprinkle it right on top. Going to give it a nice cheesy crust. Going to be good. Now we're ready to put our mashed potatoes in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Baked mashed potatoes. Doesn't it look delicious? Look how nice and golden brown that is. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The potatoes is creamy and gooey. Love all that cheese. I love the crunchiness from the panko and the Parmesan cheese. These baked mashed potatoes are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Baked mashed potatoes, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.